Hello, my name is Jen Loki, Jen short for Jennifer, and it is Wednesday, September 7th, 2022. So this is my first attempt at recording video. Hopefully this works. So I am 43. I have a 13 and 15-year-old son, and I have been a teacher for the past 20 years. And I am just ready for a switcheroo. I think I've always wanted a career in healthcare, and I kind of shied away from it and fell into teaching when I was a biology major in college and ended up pursuing a master's in secondary science education, and then was pretty good at it, and so I just kind of stuck with it. Fell into administration, which I didn't like as much as the actual teaching part. But what I really liked the most, besides, getting to know my students, was the anatomy part of teaching biology to high school and to middle school. So I had my own anatomy class that I made for students based on the 11 body systems, and just really enjoyed that portion of it, and just came to a point where I feel like I've gone as far as I can go with the teaching thing, and I want to just try something new. And show my kids that, you should be passionate about what you do, even if it means starting something brand new when you're old, like me. So here I am. I'm hoping to pursue either a degree in PA, a physician's assistant, or a doctorate in physical therapy. And I'm not sure which one to do. So I'm taking the prereqs first that are for both of those paths. And then I will figure it out, because this year I'm going to be volunteering in both a doctor's office and a physical therapy office. So luckily I have connections in both of these. So in this little town in Colorado where I live. So I'm going to check it out and see which path I would like to pursue most. And I'm really excited about it. I'm trying to think if there was anything else that I needed to have talked about, but I think maybe that's it. So let's see if this works.